Welcome. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will be teaching you how to make an air dry clay pot, like a pot from air dry clay. You will need like a little ball of, well, you're gonna need some air dry clay, and then you're also going to like roll it into a ball. And also, here are some examples. You could paint them afterwards if you want, but I'm not. Oh, and also when you roll it into a ball, you're also going to need some extra clay. Here are some examples. This one I made for my mom. She like I made it have a lot of like things on top. And she put her jewelry that I gave her in here. And then I made another one. I don't know if you could see, but I tried making a heart, but you can't really see good. I also put useless knickknacks in there, like this lollipop. I mean, they're not useless, they're pretty, but... And then I made this little heart stone thing. I also gave that to my mom. So yeah, you can make it any size you want, but here is the actual tutorial. Okay. Oh, and also, when you have these things at the top, this is what the extra clay is for. Okay, so you're gonna start by wedging the sphere, like, or ball of clay, like down the center with your thumb, like that, and then you're gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna do this on this plate that I have, so you might not be able to see it what I'm doing, but I'm gonna show you the results after. Okay, you don't want to make it too thin that it could fall apart, but also don't make it like too thick. That's too thick. So this is what it came out with. It's almost like a bowl. But I have to fix the bottom. I need it to like stand. Okay, so I got a flat bottom. It doesn't have to be perfect. So now you're gonna put this to the side, and you're going to take your extra clay and roll it, like kind of, you're gonna roll it with your hand or a rolling pin. I usually like to do it with my hand and like spread it out like okay, okay, so like I have this, and then okay, and then I like roll it out by like, I don't know how to explain it because the camera's not going to show it, but so you take that and you like spread it out and roll it. Also take separate pieces because you don't want it to be, well, actually you could however big you want it to be. I just like to make the layers thin because I like to put a lot. I learned this from like probably in 3rd grade. Okay, so now you take that and you have to put it on the top of here. So I'm putting it like, okay, so like here I'm starting it. I'm starting to make it. Okay. I have the first line done. Now remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now I put that aside, and I'm going to use this other piece of clay and like spread it out. Okay, here it is. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did on top of the other, like, I don't know, stripe, I don't know. Okay, so top that goes. There was a little extra piece, so I made it a little long. Okay. And I'm gonna do the last one. Okay. Now, this is the last one. This time I'm keeping the extra on there. Okay. So, again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're going to have to probably look, since I'm using air dry clay, it doesn't need to be put in the oven. So, I think, or oven or stove, whatever. And then, so when it's done drying, which might, I mean, it will only take a few hours. I recommend overnight, like to dry overnight. And then you could paint it afterwards, like I did with these. Like, and even paint the inside too, cause, okay. For this one, I just took the jewelry out to show you guys. I painted the inside too. See, purple on the inside. And then I also painted the stripes too. So, really you could use your imagination with it. Like, you could design it, like, by poking designs into it like I did with the heart. You can't really see that it's a heart because it's really, like, I don't know how to explain it. It's not very smooth when I made it over there. So, yeah. So here it is. And I'm going to let it dry overnight. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you make this. If you do make this, then you should definitely post a video of you making it. And also, like, probably use the hashtag AnimalLove567 exclamation points pot. Okay. So I'm gonna leave this to dry overnight. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. Bye.